Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hatch the bee egg in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've just purchased this bee egg from this bee egg shop. Wait, let me show you this one. I've just purchased this mythical bee egg. If you want to purchase it, just click on the egg that you want to buy and then you can click on buy. And each type of egg has a different price, of course. And you can view the bee event eggs information right here. Okay, and I'm going to go back to my garden. And if you want to hatch the egg, we need to place the egg on this tree. Like this, just click on the slot and you need to wait for the hatching time. And after it's ready to hatch, you can click on the egg. Yeah, that's so simple. But you can only place the bee egg right here on the tree. You cannot place it in your normal garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can hatch the bee egg in Grow Garden game of Roblox new BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.